Hi, welcome to the Wandering Wodnicks YouTube channel. This is my first video, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. It's a throwback from 2008, filmed on an original GoPro Hero, so the video quality is probably not what you're used to with new cameras and the high definition, but it's kind of neat to see what 2008 had for video quality compared to today's videos and cameras. So I thought for my first video on this channel, it'd be kind of fun to go back to the past and enjoy a bit of a ride I had at Deals Gap in North Carolina. Really enjoyed that trip. It's got some of the best memories I've had from rides down there. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned on the channel for more adventures and more trips. I've got some stuff planned for 2023. There's a big road trip coming up this year that I'm really hoping to be able to share with you guys. And I hope you enjoy my adventures. I plan on making a video about once a month to show you some of the prep for my trips. And if I go on any other side trips and things like that, you know, hopefully I'll record those and I'll put out something for you. I just want to start a little slow. So that's the plan. We're going to do about a video a month. I'm going to do some prep videos for the big trip coming up. My plan is to ride to Alaska and back, and probably around the country. Actually, I've got a pretty big trip planned, so it'll be fun. And I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys, and some of the prep that goes into it. I'll be camping along the way, so those are some of the things coming along in the future. But for now, enjoy this throwback video to 2008. And if you enjoy it and you like the idea of future videos around motorcycles and motorcycle camping, food, because what's a motorcycle road trip without food? Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when the new video does come out, you'll get notified. And I hope you enjoy the wanderings and the journeys that we go on here at the Wandering Wodnicks. Thank you for watching. Bye.